Good afternoon and welcome to the Family Justice Report. I'm Dale Harapat, and I know that probably some of you have watched this program before. We've done various topics on helping families in the court system as mothers and fathers continue to get shafted at the hands of judges. It seems as if they are no longer following the rules and the regulations or the statutes of every state that we have come in contact with. It is pretty much universally the same. So you have to be smart when you go to family court, but what we're wanting to talk about today is sort of how the political system is a microcosm of the family court system. In the Republican National Convention, they are changing the rules in order to push out or snuff out the Ron Paul delegates. And yes, I will admit that I am a Ron Paul supporter, but I just believe that this is typical or an example of how the power structures in the United States change the rules to suit their own benefit, and those that believe in something different are no longer allowed to be part of the process. If you are a parent and you go into the court system, perhaps you have a different point of view than the way that the judge has ruled, then you are likely going to be treated as the enemy forevermore in that court that you are about to enter. So you have to know a little bit more about probably the appellate system, because maybe there is a possibility that some appellate judge will take a look and see that the judge has possibly violated their absolute discretion and their immunity in such a way that it defies logic and common sense and might even repulse an appellate judge. We believe that the courts in New Mexico and across the country no longer follow the rules and the regulations and the statutes in the court. So you really don't know what the playing field is, and it is stacked against the pro se individual. There are ways that you can probably get around it, and one of the first ways is maybe deny them the fact that they have jurisdiction over you and your children. The jurisdictional initial pleading and proceeding is the place to start. And then we've always suggested that we believe that in all 50 states it would be to our advantage that not one hearing officer or one judge would make a family custody decision. We believe that, like Texas, that these decisions should go before juries if the mother and the father are willing to pay the jury fees. But if not, they should not be denied access to the court. And a jury would probably put the matter before 3 men, 3 women, or 4 men, 4 women, and we believe that they would make a more just and a fair decision for the mothers, the fathers, and for the children. But don't forget that if you're going to court, expect the judges and the domestic relations hearing officer to not follow the rules. It is just insanity that now parents are placed before hearing officers, and then this person without any judicial authority is allowed to make a judicial decision. And then in New Mexico, you are denied a hearing on your objections or a regular evidentiary hearing before a judge, which we believe violates your constitutional rights. So those are some of our thoughts today on the Family Justice Report. Thank you for just checking us out. We'll try to keep it short and to the point, but we enjoy having you and your comments to the Family Justice Report. This is Dale Harapat. Have a great day.